till the morning, drinking, turn up till the morning. That's just all we do. What's to my knowledge? Doing this before college, hey. That's all we do. That's all we do. That's all we do. That's all we do.
Right. We're sniping out the location of the climb.
Look, that's a mirror.
Look at that building, that's...
This has actually got all the high buildings. This looks like San Francisco. That looks like Gymkhana.
It does.
Let's go.
Yeah, I know. So these guys over here, they are filming like a movie or something. Well, who knows what it is. Maybe it's an advert for that company building. I don't know.
Guess what? I found the location.
Shh. If you can see, there's like a security office. My fingers on focus.
Maybe they're like lazy
down there.
bastards and they don't even patrol the place because...
Down there, there's a security office, but can't see anyone moving about in it.
I just want to climb on him, Christ.
Like,
Talk about
expectations if we get in. How you
Oh,
feeling?
it's going to be mad if we get in.
How are you feeling right now?
It's going to be
Just
mad.
looking at it.
I'm excited. If this was getting the police coming to our doors 3 days later and taking all our equipment, is this it? Like what happened to Nightscape? Is this it? Is it?
Is it? That's a question. Oh man, so we've got to wait. This is like, we're going to try and slip through here. Don't actually know if we'll get through, but yeah, that's my only concern, so I'm going to try and push my bag through right now. Someone there. People just stopped there. But it's like, I've no clue. Look, we can run behind that. Hey, wait, there's a guy. We could have.
Exactly. Right. I never thought I would have to.
Oh man, we're in. Danger building above, please use code 1.
When they're actually building.
Yeah. Is that maybe...
Mr. Ben ain't never finished, you can't miss a call. Me and Super sold out, that's obese New York. Waste from Reggie's Pelly selling Reggie out the door. Now I'm thinking bigger motion pictures, foreign cars. Chloe Jordan folding texting wasn't here before. Now I hit withdrawal when I hit the mall. Homies from the land, popping Zans, got withdrawals. Class my hands in advance, cause they just can't get off. I've been getting second chances, that shit like my motivation. Just found out I'm sick, I got no time for patience. Tired of waiting, I know destinations, I don't know locations, I know detonation. Call up Super, he gon' cook the bacon. Throw me in the bream, and I'ma kill an ape. And still rock, babe, and still rap game. And still throw signs while my niggas do the same. Cause that phone is shit contagious, so I let my phone ring. I don't like to conversate, for conversation's sake. No more girls who stay out late. Just baby.
And you should have ladders. You fucking head. Mate, don't go up there. Yeah, you can't even see me, but oh man, right, it's over the top, and still here. Task is to try and get out.
When money long ain't done evolving, the shit's a classic. When money long ain't done evolving, the shit's a classic.
Tired of niggas talking about this is the way you got to do it, and you gotta respect this type of person, you gotta listen to that type of person. Fuck all of that shit. I'm doing the way I wanna do shit. I'm tired of these niggas hating and tired of promoters flaking, so pay me in pre-advance, and if I forget, then book again.
Level -0. Wait, is this a basement? We're not supposed to be here. What the fuck? Mate. There's water. How do I open that door? Oh god. Watch, 'cause look, the window's there.
Jesus. I'm so broke by the white man that they could approach me in the back of a dark alley with a black clip. This is real as it gets.
Right, camera's about to die. But Jesus, man. Without I run away, but yes. Like and subscribe. Hopefully the video turned out alright, but camera is about to die. Just got a last fake shot, bang. So yeah, phase up.
We whoop ass and then we finna get well cards and we swipe our black cards and we don't have backyards cause we stay on top floors and we get mazed.